Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use iPhone reminders effectively. The iPhone Reminders app is a powerful tool for managing tasks and staying organized. Here's how to use it effectively. First, open the Reminders app. Tap on Add List at the bottom left corner. Choose a name, color, and the icon for your list to keep things organized. Create different lists for categories like work, personal, groceries, or projects. This helps you focus on specific areas of your life. Once you are done selecting, tap Done. Now, to add reminders with details on the list, tap New Reminder at the bottom of the screen. Type your reminder and tap Done. Tap on the reminder to add details such as notes, URLs, or attachments. This is useful for adding extra context or linking to relevant information. Tap the calendar icon to set a due date and time for your reminder. This ensures you get a notification when the task is due. Tap the location icon to set a reminder to trigger when you arrive or leave a specific place. For example, you can set a reminder to buy groceries when you arrive at the store or just getting in car. Tap the exclamation mark to assist a priority level, low, medium, or high to your reminders, helping you prioritize tasks. Last method is to use Siri for quick reminders. Activate Siri and say something like, "Hey Siri, remind me to call John." Remind me to call John at 3 p.m. or remind me to pick up groceries when I leave work. Siri will add the reminder for you. You can also ask Siri to add reminders to specific lists, like add buy milk to my grocery list. By following these tips, you can use the iPhone Reminders app more effectively, helping you stay organized, manage your time better, and ensure that important tasks are never forgotten. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.